Arrive in style with this Dodge 2019 Charger SXT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include black cloth sport seat, Towed clear coat, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850re, STD, quick order package 29 grams included, engine 3.6L V6 24V VVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850re, wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 inches black noise painted, engine, 3.6L V6 24V VVT, STD, black top package included, gloss black fascia applique Dodge grille badge gloss black IP cluster trim rings satin black Charger decklet badge black one-piece performance spoiler, engine, 3.6L V6 24V VVT, FFV, and tires, P245/45R20 BSWS performance.